Welcome to another video, and I'm out here in the horse barn enjoying this beautiful day. It is like a little bit breezy and it's like 73 degrees, so it's not too hot and it's just the perfect temperature. The horses are outside in the pasture and I'm cleaning horse stalls, and we're just kind of chilling and getting some horse stuff done today. And I'm going to clean the barn a little bit. So I'm going to give you a little update on our horse fencing, and if you are new here, we have cameo fencing and we like it so far. There's a few things that we will do differently when we go to put up more, like it doesn't call for us to brace the corners on the fence posts, and I believe from now on we are going to do that just because we have a few fence posts on the ends that are kind of starting to move. But it's not too bad and it still looks all right and it's still functioning, but that's about the only thing we'll change. But we had to electrify it. I know I told you in that video that we might not electrify it because our horses never really tested it in Ohio. Well, we've come to find out that in the sand lot, they are testing the fence and they are pushing their way through the fence to get grass on the other side. And it's not a big deal, but my horse can't be on grass 24/7 because he's got some health issues. And I want them to think it's okay to push their heads through the fence or anything like that. So we have decided to electrify. What you see here is this control panel that we have, and it is solar powered because we do not have electric down on this end of the property yet. We have a wire connecting to the fence there, and then we have a wire coming down into the ground rods. So that is what you see here, and it works. We had to, the whole entire pasture and sand lot included, the top wire is hot, so all the way around the sand lot, the second wire up from the bottom, we've pulled that out and we have put cameo pulse in there, so it is the same as the top wire. So the top is hot, and now the second wire from the bottom is hot as well, because they were, like I said, reaching underneath the fence, pushing the fence with their head to get to the grass. This whole fence is hot, and we have a wire connecting the two to make this hot, and we will run a wire down here to this wire and make this area hot as well. It is connected, so the top wire, and I'll show here, and then we have a little bolt that clamps on there and tightens it, and then this is just the wire again jumping from this, making this hot, to making that fence hot. So kind of hard to see, but you do the same thing down here. You screw in one of those and then you connect the two. Just goes around here and clamps on. And this is called cameo pulse, and this is just regular cameo wire fencing. That is kind of the update I have from the cameo fencing. We are loving it so far. We actually had an incident where my horse had a different halter on than he normally has on, and we were out here. Of course, we don't leave our horses unattended with halters on in the pasture, but we had it on him, and he got a hold of that fencing just right on the halter, and it snapped one of the wires. So we had to repair it. So this is actually a repair we had to make in the fence. When Sock got his halter caught, he flew backwards and the fence snapped and did what it was supposed to do. So Sock didn't get hurt, didn't pull no fencing out of the ground, nothing. It just snapped the fence, and we have a couple of these fence repair things, and it's as good as new. So we really like that. You say hi, Sock. You enjoying this beautiful day? What do you think?